ルチョだ。とってもこれも楽しみにしてました。これメインで出てくることの多い、ジョージアの西側の地方の割と代表的な料理で、特にスパイスの味が強い、牛肉の料理ですね。シュクメルリもそうなんですけど、どっちかというと結構味の、濃いものでパンとかと一緒に食べることが多いですね。美味しいです。非常に優しい、まろやかで甘みもしっかりとある。でなおかつフレーバーがしっかりフルフレーバーな、料理ですね。
So next we will be making Georgian dish called Kharcho. It's a stew dish. Either it's made with chicken or beef. This time we're gonna make it with beef because we already made shkmeruli with chicken. So for variety, we're gonna do it with beef. We will use the following ingredients: the beef, green onions, coriander, green pepper, onion and garlic, tomato sauce, salt, pepper, some oil, and this one is walnut paste. We made it with walnuts, some water, and Georgian spices. So we use walnut paste in a lot of Georgian dishes, including Kharcho. So let's get started. I will use 2 pans. So in this one, I'm gonna first of all boil the meat, medium heat. It's good, and it's gonna take us some time until it's boiled well. That's it. So on the next pan, which is already on the medium heat, I'm gonna prepare the sauce that we will need to apply to our beef later. So initially I'm going to use oil. The pan is already hot, so I will apply the oil. So next I'm going to use the onions, all of it. And we will wait for a few minutes until onions are soft and brownish. We will apply the head to the pan so it boils well, and we will wait. So my mother is applying salt to the walnut paste. Like I said, we use it in many Georgian dishes, in starters, in main dishes. This is something that we love. It's salt, paprika, and other spices mixed together. Make the heat a bit higher. It looks good. It needs like different kind of timing. The onion will be ready much sooner than the meat. So once the meat is ready, you can immediately start adding, and they just need few minutes to get ready, unlike the meat, which needs longer time. Now she's applying garlic. Okay, so now we're adding some boiled water to walnut sauce. So now she will apply it to the dish. Now we're gonna add the boiled meat water, the remaining of the water to the pan, because in the end it has to be like a stew, right? So we need water for that. And in the end we're just left with some onions, coriander, and green pepper. Okay. Okay. Done, done, done. Just open.
ハルチョもとっても美味しくできる料理です。きっとお好きになっていただくと思いますので、ぜひ作ってみてください。